Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Knowledge Plus Pritika. So guys, today our topic is United Nation because many people in India doesn't know about United Nation, and I want to send this message mainly to the children because United Nation is an important topic. So let us start. The United Nation is an international organization aimed at facilitating cooperation among the nation and achieving the world's peace. The United Nations was officially come into existence on 24th of October 1945. There are 50 member countries initially signed on the charter. Therefore, October 24 is celebrated as United Nations Day every year. There are currently 193 member countries. The two great world wars, World War First and World War Second, involved many countries of the world. The World War First was fought from 1914 to 1918, and the World War Second was fought from 1939 to 1945. The second was the most expensive war in terms of the human life and property. Millions of people have died and many more disabled. The United States of America dropped atom bomb on Hiroshima and Nagasaki in Japan. There are sorrow and horror everywhere. All the peoples all over the world get worried about their future. After the World War, the League of Nations was formed to preserve peace and settle disputes by arbitration. In the late 18th century, a German philosopher Immanuel Kant has posed as federation of the League of the world's nation. He believed that such a federation would enable the countries to unite and be able to punish the nation that committed and all of aggression. It was not very successful. It failed to prevent even small wars. The feeling gave birth to the United Nations. The name was suggested by a US President Roosevelt. Finally, representatives of 50 nations meet in San Francisco on April 1945. They decided to establish an international organization called the United Nations Organization, or UNO. Objectives of the United Nations. The main objective of the UNO are listed: to work for peace and security in the world. First, second, to develop friendly relationship and cooperation among the nation. Third, to promote human rights and freedom for all. Fourth, to solve economic, social, cultural, and human problems. Fifth, to remove difference based on race, religions, language, and sex among the people. Sixth, to assess the achievement of these aims. Principle of the UN. All member countries have sovereignty, equality. Second, all member countries must obey the charter. Third, countries must try to settle their disputes by peaceful means. Fourth, countries must avoid using force on threateners to use force. Fifth, the UN must not interfere in the democratic affairs of any country. Sixth, countries should try to cooperate with United Nations.